I'm going to open up a Super Street Fighter 2 sound effects keychain. It's by this company called Soundbites, officially Capcom licensed. They're mystery, kind of Labubu style crap. I've gotten 2 of these before from the game store. I've gotten the mysteries. I've gotten Sagat and the round announcer. I really just want Chun-Li, and then I'm done pulling these. But occasionally I buy these to support my local game store when I have nothing else. So it includes 1 mystery keychain. Let's go. Enough of the slow roll. Oh my God. Alright. See which one I get. Give me Chun-Li one time. It's blue. Dalsim. I don't want no. Why did you redeem it? Why did you redeem the code? Do not redeem. Do not redeem.